Hey, we're over at GoToMath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to multiplication. And we're going to be looking at 4.2, which you can barely see on the screen there. Find f times g right in standard form. So we're dealing with a coefficient here that's a fraction. That won't be a problem. Okay. And I can see here that should have been written differently there, but that's alright. So let's go ahead and write this down. So this is 4.2. Alright, so we have f is equal to, and of course the cursor is in the way, 4/17 x plus 4, and then g is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, let's get in here. So we're wanting to find f times g. F is equal to 4/17 x plus 4, and g is equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, so we're wanting to find f times g, so we're going to have 4/17 x plus 4 and 5x plus 3. Okay, so the first terms, we're going to multiply them together. So we have 4/17 times 5x, that's going to be 20/17, right? 20/17, and then that'll be x squared. And then of course 4/17x times 3, that's going to end up being 12/17x, right? 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, 4 times 5x is 20x, and 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, and so let's see, we want to collect up our like terms. That's going to be these two here, which means that we need to add these two fractions together. Do a little side work over here. 12/17 plus 20. So we're going to need to get a common denominator, and so we can now join these together. So we have 12 plus 20 times 17. What a mess. 12 plus 20 times 17 is 352 over 17. Okay. Alright, so we have, let's go back to blue here. So we're going to have 20/17. It's like I'm running out of screen here. Let's see, what will it do? That's what I was afraid of. Okay, so we have 20/17 x squared, and then plus 352 over 17 x, and then plus 12. Remember, we added 12/17 plus 20 together. Okay, now in the green checkbox, if you're going to type this in, it should be typed in like this. You're going to put a parentheses around a fraction if it's a coefficient, and yeah. Okay, so that should be the way that it should be typed in. I hope I have that thing programmed correctly. I don't know. Can't remember. It's been a while since I've done this. Been quite some time, actually. 352/17. 20/17x squared plus 352/17x plus 12. We're going to go in here because, as much as I hate to do this, I'm going to check this just in case It just seems like I would have written that example that was in the box. If this was done correctly, I'll probably have to go in and program this thing. We're going to find out here in a second. That's what I was afraid of. Okay, well, I'll get that fixed. Yeah, I was afraid of that. Okay, so we're over here at gotomath.com doing something. Multiplying polynomials. We're over here at gotomath.com, and I'll see you there.